The ruling party ZANU-PF said they would reduce the number of delegates attending its upcoming national conference, a move seen as an attempt to weaken Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's support-ish base. Sanapenda mashikana mudanyogo panapa zvinzi aiwa kurejisiwa kana kulimitiwa kwaitiwa members aiwa kana madelegates achanomita with the conference yabvaonekwa as a strategy yekustopa general. Sanapenda mashikana mudanyogo panapa ndori subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina vanomonyo kwa mchinzi. The faction loyal to President Emmerson Mnangagwa is reportedly pushing to replace Chiwenga with the ZANU-PF Women's League chairperson Mabo Chinomona, a close ally and perceived puppet of the Mnangagwa family. The development could do a blow to Chiwenga's ambitions of succeeding Mnangagwa in 2028, a scenario that has long been subject of immense speculation. The strategic reduction of conference delegates is widely seen as an attempt to minimize Chiwenga's support base, especially from the grassroots, as Mnangagwa's faction works to consolidate power. ZANU-PF National Chairperson Opam Chinguri announced the new delegate limit, stating, "It's not everyone who will attend. It will be the Politburo members, Central Committee members, National Consultative Assembly members, principal executive members and the district coordinating committees. We avoided bringing all lower engines of the party as we used to do in the past, learning best practices from other countries like China." Tomashukara kubuda panapa achingwa zvinzi aiwa kulimita koita vanhu vakaona chiti aiwa tichade zvanhu vakaona tangoda vanhu vari necessary kana vanhu vanenge vari kuaitepo zvatiri kuona kuti vari kuti aiwa it is a move yavari kuda kuti aiwa since vanhu vari ngoshedziwa ava vanhu vari kusapota the faction yemutungamiri wenyika veEmmerson Mnangagwa yaonekwa as a way yekudzikisira kana kudowngrade kana kukata aiwa maambitions aVP Chiwenga ekusucceda Emmerson Mnangagwa. Tidze mafungiro enyu pine comment section medu, musakano subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.